All right, everyone, let's dive into the world of SEO, or search engine optimization. Imagine you've got a killer website, but no one's visiting. That's where SEO comes in. Think of SEO as a way to make your website more visible on search engines like Google. When someone types in a keyword, you want your site to pop up on the first page, right? SEO helps you do that by optimizing your content to match what people are searching for. First up, keywords. These are the terms people type into search engines. By using the right keywords in your content, titles, and meta descriptions, you tell Google, hey, my site's relevant. Next, there's on-page SEO. This involves optimizing individual pages on your site. Think about your headers, image alt texts, and internal links. All these elements help search engines understand what your page is about. But wait, there's more. Off-page SEO is equally important. This focuses on getting other reputable sites to link back to you. It's like getting a thumbs up from the internet. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your site ranks. And don't forget technical SEO. This is all about the back-end stuff like site speed, mobile friendliness, and secure connections. Search engines love websites that are fast and user-friendly. Finally, always keep your content fresh. Regularly update your site with new relevant information. Search engines are always on the lookout for the latest and greatest content. So there you have it. SEO isn't just for tech geeks. It's essential for anyone wanting to boost their website traffic. Start optimizing today and watch your site soar to the top. Remember, the key to success is staying informed and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. Good luck and happy optimizing.